In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all bank transactions in QuickBooks. Let's keep this simple and clear. Once you're signed into QuickBooks, look to the very top of your screen for the global search bar. You'll recognize it by the small magnifying glass icon. This search is designed to help you jump straight to key areas without digging through menus, which makes it perfect for quickly finding your banking activity. Click into the search field and start typing the words bank transaction. As you type, QuickBooks will begin showing suggestions beneath the search box. You're looking for the option labeled Bank Transactions. When you see it appear in the list, go ahead and click it. That single click takes you directly to the page that brings all your bank activity into one place. Once the Bank Transactions page opens, you'll see a clear, structured list of your transactions. Each line typically includes details like the date, a description or payee, the category if it's already been assigned, and the amount. This is the central hub for reviewing what's come in and gone out of your connected bank accounts. If you use multiple bank or credit card accounts, QuickBooks often shows them at the top. The page usually defaults to one of them, so the list you're seeing corresponds to that account. Don't worry if the layout looks slightly different depending on your version. QuickBooks updates the interface from time to time, but you'll still be in the right place if you clicked Bank Transactions. On this page, many users also notice sections labeled for items waiting to be reviewed, those that have been categorized, and those that are excluded. That's normal. It simply reflects where each transaction stands in your bookkeeping process. If your bank is already connected and syncing, this list will populate with the latest activity. If you don't see anything yet, it may just mean there are no new transactions to show right now, or that your access is limited for your role. If the search doesn't return the result you expect, double-check the spelling of bank transaction or give the suggestions a second to load. The search is case-insensitive, so capitalization won't matter, but a small typo can hide the option. And that's all there is to it. Use the top search bar, type bank transaction, click bank transactions, and you'll land on the page where you can view your complete list of transactions. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this section anytime you want a quick refresher.